How to scan QR code with Google Lens. In today's video, I'll show you how to scan a QR code using Google Lens. QR codes are everywhere, and with Google Lens, it's super easy to scan and get instant information. So let's dive right in. Now, if you don't have Google Lens on your device, you don't need to install it. Simply tap or open your browser. Now, when you try to search or type URL, instead of typing your URL, simply here you can simply find a Google Lens. Now, simply click on continue and go to settings to turn on camera access for Google Lens. Simply allow it and go back. Now, simply tap on the camera icon again. And here you can simply search for links and all the things that you want to search for. And that's it. That's how you simply scan QR codes through Google Lens in your browser or by Google Lens app itself.